What's good, party people? I've got another Black Friday deal, and this one is for the movers and shakers, dreamers and innovators in the audience. That's right, we brought back IdeaNote, your new hub for business innovation. IdeaNote is a plug-and-play idea management platform, so you can develop more ideas, snag more customers, and bank more revenue. Let me show you how it works. IdeaNote opens to the Missions tab because they understand your mission is central to what ideas are generated within your company. Think of missions as a goal-oriented idea collections. And so that each team has a home for their missions, your workspace is organized into folders for each department, like marketing, sales, or product. Let's take a closer look at one of these missions. You'll notice the mission question at the top, and as a user, you can browse the ideas that have been submitted by other users and interact by liking them. The idea submission form is short and sweet, but can be customized to include extra text and fields to make sure your idea is captured in its entirety. Then you can field feedback for real-time collaboration to mature and grow an idea. Company favorites are then moved to the rate phase, where rating criteria is used to examine how valuable or fitting the idea is. The answers are averaged, and the best ideas can be prepared for implementation or exported to tools that you already use with the native Zapier integration. You can also look at all of the ideas across all of the missions in the Manage view. The ideas are broken down across phases, which can be customized, so you can finally manage ideas your way. Just drag and drop new phases into your process to fit your innovation needs. Finally, IdeaNote also features a Hall of Fame, showing off who has pitched the most ideas and achieved other milestones across your team. Plus, there's an idea cluster, which identifies trends across all of your mission boards in a unique visual way for even more inspo. So start planning your next small improvement or big strategy with IdeaNote. And be sure to check out all of our awesome tools available for a limited time this Black Friday. What's good, party people? That was way too much. That's what happens when you tell me to start over. Yes. Brandon, we're not good off to a start. That's good. I can't even talk.